Thousands gathered expecting great food, music, and celebration. But the evening changed within seconds. The annual Bite of Seattle Festival attracted huge crowds near the iconic Space Needle. Around early evening, witnesses suddenly reported hearing multiple loud gunshots near the festival grounds. Think about this. A joyful community event transformed into confusion almost instantly. Festival visitors ran for safety as emergency responders rushed toward the scene. Police quickly secured the area, while first responders began helping injured victims. Authorities later confirmed 2 people were killed and 5 others were injured. Among the injured was a 2-year-old child, according to officials. Stop. Investigators immediately began gathering evidence while asking the public to avoid the area. Next, we'll examine what investigators have officially confirmed and what remains unknown. As investigators arrived, their first priority was securing the entire crime scene safely. Police immediately established safety perimeters to protect evidence and assist emergency responders. Investigators photographed the area before collecting every available piece of physical evidence. Think about this. Even the smallest clue could help explain exactly what happened. Detectives interviewed witnesses while reviewing surveillance footage from nearby cameras. Wait, hundreds of eyewitness accounts often contain different memories of the same event. Investigators carefully compare every statement before reaching official conclusions about the incident. Digital evidence, security cameras, and forensic science help investigators rebuild the timeline. Stop. Investigators avoid assumptions because accuracy matters more than speed during investigations. Next, we'll explore how communities respond and recover after tragic public events like this. As emergency crews worked, the entire community began coming together to support those affected. Families searched for loved ones while officials shared verified updates through emergency channels. Medical teams continued treating the injured as hospitals coordinated emergency response efforts. Think about this. Behind every emergency are countless professionals working together to save lives. Counselors and crisis support teams helped families cope during an incredibly difficult evening. Wait, communities often become strongest during their most challenging moments. Volunteers, neighbors, and local organizations quickly offered food, shelter, and emotional support. City leaders thanked first responders while promising a thorough and transparent investigation. Stop. Resilience isn't forgetting tragedy. It's supporting each other while moving forward together. Next, we'll explore what investigators are still working to uncover about the incident. As daylight returned, investigators continued carefully examining every detail of the crime scene. Every photograph, witness interview, and security recording became part of the investigation. Detectives worked to build an accurate timeline, using only verified evidence and official information. Think about this. Solving complex cases often requires patience, teamwork, and careful analysis. Forensic specialists examined physical evidence, while digital experts reviewed surveillance footage frame by frame. Wait, even a single overlooked detail can completely change an investigation's direction. Authorities encouraged anyone with verified information to contact investigators through official channels. Police also reminded the public to avoid spreading rumors while the investigation continued. Stop. Verified facts help investigations, while misinformation can create unnecessary confusion. Next, we'll explore the lessons communities and event organizers can learn from tragedies like this. As investigations continue, communities begin a long journey toward healing and recovery together. Public events remind us how quickly joyful moments can unexpectedly change without warning. Organizers constantly review safety procedures to better protect future community celebrations. Think about this. Preparation before emergencies can save precious seconds when every moment matters. Emergency responders regularly train for difficult situations, hoping they'll never need those skills. Wait. Public safety depends on cooperation between organizers, authorities, volunteers, and everyday citizens. Technology, planning, and communication continue improving security at large public gatherings worldwide. Communities grow stronger by supporting victims, respecting facts, and rejecting misinformation after tragedy. Stop. Every life matters, and every act of kindness helps communities recover after difficult events. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay kind, and always look out for one another